Hi everybody. Tonight, I am working on a Christmas wreath. My friend Jessica, she's from here. She lives in the UK with her husband, and when she came in for Christmas this year, she was here for like 6 months because the husband was deployed, and she had a little Christmas tree for the kids because her parents are Jewish, so they don't do a tree. But when she was done with it, she gave me the leftover ornaments, and I said, I'm using those for a wreath. So I finally got the blue that I needed, the gold that I needed, which does, yes, look suspiciously orange, but let's see how it works out. So, Dollar Tree frame, 18 ties. Here's one segment. These inner two tied together, outer two tied together. This one is between the welds. These two are between the welds and the middle. Got it? Okay. So it is, I don't even know what day it is. I know it's Sunday. It's just, like, what? It's Sunday night. I haven't been feeling good all day, which, I mean, that's really nothing new, but my blood sugar is really high. My stomach's been bothering me, so I was laying in bed just kind of, doing my usual, feeling bad about myself. These are 20-inch ruffles and woodland ruffles. I'm just going to alternate the blue and gold for the first layer. It says laying in bed, just meh, running out of things to watch. I'm trying to watch the new season of 13 Reasons Why, but what's his face? If anybody watches it, Clay, Dylan Minette's character, he keeps having panic attacks, and they are very well acted, and I'm like, oh no 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 no. I said, this is not what I'm watching tonight. Not on tonight. So I decided to, come hang out with you guys, see what was going on. What is going on? Okay, so I officially hate this wreath, but I'm gonna power through it because I am so aggravated, and I am, I am just, I have some blue ribbon. It's cut at 12 inches and dovetailed. I have some gold ribbon. Normally I would do the gold on the blue and the blue on the gold, but since I'm trying to cover some of this gold, I'm gonna do the gold on the gold, the blue on the blue. And I have my ribbon that I got from Michael's. It's like 3/8 of an inch thick. I cut it into 16-inch pieces and just glued them into loops to make what will be little bows. Hello?
Okay, do you have that number?
Their
You want
number?
to talk to the policeman that's here?
Sure.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Hey, Adam.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, man. So just bring up the sheriff's office. I was just explaining to your mom. They delivered the empty box with it open before they even drove off. She flagged us down to let them know, hey, this box was empty.
Yes. Yes, that was a call from, my mom and a deputy because the phone that I just ordered and paid for and spent a lot of money on was stolen. Not just like stolen off the porch. The FedEx driver, and you know my history with FedEx, how much FedEx driver tried to deliver an empty box to my mom's house where the phone was shipped. You felt that it was empty. I mean, I realize it's a phone, it comes in a small box. You handed it off, realized it was empty. Oh, you put it on the porch, realized it was empty. The only reason my mom was able to stop him before he left was because she heard the truck coming, went outside, got the package, and said, hey, no, no, this is empty. Okay, I've had some time to calm down and speak to 700 people on the phone. I hate people. I hate people so much. Okay, so hi everybody. Not you guys. You guys are tops. Oh. What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm doing a bow that's going to start off at 7. Oh god, this ribbon's a mess. Start off at 7. I'm going to do 2 loops on each side. Put the tails off at 7. slightly smaller than 7, like 6.5. Okay, so I think this looks, these are not this orange, I swear. They're very warm, but they're not that orange. Which you might not be able to see if I fix it in editing. So that's all I'm going to do for today. I'm going to come back tomorrow and hopefully in a right frame of mind to, you know, do this. Alright, I'll be back right now. Alright, let's finish this wreath up, and I just want to state for the record before we even get started, I hate this. I don't know why I hate it. I don't know if it's because I'm in such a horrible mood, or it's, I don't know what's going on. I just hate it. I want it done. I want it off my table. I want it out the house. So, yeah. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm not, but let's see. I have a bunch of ornaments in varying shades of gold, because I think that's the only way I'm going to get this to maybe work, is if this one looks like too light. Yeah, so I'm just going to glue some ornaments in here. I have a box behind me, and we're going to see what happens, and that's going to be it. Oh no, I think I mentioned it before. Holy Cross is a school here, and their colors are this. So maybe I got lucky with a Holy Cross mom who wants Holy Cross Christmas wreath. I don't know. I think it goes like this. Not like that. So the bows are. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go rethink every decision I've ever made in my life. Alright, bye guys.